Let's learn the digraph O. When O and O come together, it makes the sound of O. There are two types of digraphs come together with O sound. One is O and another is OO, short vowel and long vowel. Let's learn both with a phonics song. Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh, 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 ooh. Here is the example of OO sound, long vowel. B, oo, boo, oo, loo, oo, moo, z, oo, zoo. Here are examples of both short vowel and long vowel. So, learn first the short vowel, and it's oo. Look, book, brook, cook, foot, good, hook, look, nook, retook, shook, stood, took, wood, wool, unhook. Now the turn of the long vowel is oo, like in the word cool, k, oo, l, cool, b, oo, boo, b, oo, t, boot, cool, fool, moon, noon, pool, room, root, school, spool, spoon, stool, tool, zoo.